Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove Shadowban on TikTok. So let's say your account is Shadowban and you're like getting a few views and very less likes. So what you can do? Just go open your account on TikTok and go to the home section and search your specific niche. Let's say you're working on AI videos or cat videos. So search your cat and just start liking and commenting on the cat videos. Just make sure to comment on like 2 to 3 videos, like the videos, and also repost the videos from your account. And second thing is, just do not change your IP address on TikTok if you're posting from your Wi-Fi or data. So just keep it on one and just keep posting it, and hopefully after like there's a shadow ban period of about 14 or 10 days on TikTok, and after that your issue will be solved. And also just keep posting the videos of your niche and your account will be restored. And if not, so just keep commenting, keep your like account scrolling on regular basis, like the videos, comment, follow people, like not hugely. You should not follow at least like 20, 30, 40 people a day. So just follow like 3, 4 people on a day, like 4, 5 videos, and just close the app, upload your content, and after a few days your issue will be solved. And that is how easily you can remove Shadowban on TikTok.